日本語日本語
Hello! 皆さんこんにちは Welcome to 日本語 with Yukino. Today, we're going to look into widespread struggles, which are the particles. There's so many particles in Japanese, right? Wa, ga, wo, wo, ni, de, like that. And this time, I want to ask you, can you explain the differences between wa and ga? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Alright, let's look at the particle wa. Alright, the particle wa functions as a topic maker. But the key point is that the speaker and the listener, both of them know about the topic that you're talking about. For example, 田中さんは学生です。That means 田中さん is a student. In this case, both speaker and the listener knows about 田中さん. Maybe 田中さん is their common friend. Another aspect of this particle wa is that it can work as a contrast. So you can compare two things. Like one is this, but another is this. For example, 私は学生です。彼女は学生ではありません。That means I'm a student. However, she's not a student. So, は highlights the contrast. Alright, now let's talk about が particle が How does it work? So, が works as a subject marker. What does it mean? That means it is used when the new information is introduced to the listener. So this listener doesn't know about things that you are gonna talk about. For example, 7月にみかん祭りがあります。So there is a みかん祭り Orange Festival in July. You didn't know about this event, right? So that's why I use が because I know that you don't know about this. Alright, now it's your turn to practice. Please pause this video and do the quiz that I'm gonna show you in the next slide. And the answer is in the description below, so please check it out later. Alright, how was the quiz? Did you understand about wa and ga, those particles, better than the last time? If so, I'm so happy! Alright, let's review our main points for this lesson. Particle wa works as a topic maker. Particle ga works as a subject marker. And if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!